Welcome to Kittle Zone!
A stands tall with arms spread wide. Start at the top and down each side. B is two bumps in a line. Down the stick round curve so fine. C is easy, curve it right. Like a moon that's shining bright. D is a line with a big round door. Draw the curve, there's nothing more.
Like E, but missing one line. Two strokes only, still looks fine.
G is a circle with a gentle twist. A tiny line so it won't be missed. H stands firm like a bridge so wide. Two tall lines with the bar inside.
I is simple, just one line. Straight and neat, it looks so fine. J starts down and curls just so, like a hook for fish below.
K is a kick on a tall straight stick. One slant down and one slant quick. L goes down, then right you go. Sharp like a corner, nice and slow.
M is lantern standing high. Down, up, down, touch the sky. N goes down, then slants to the right. Then straight down, clean and bright.
O is a circle round and neat. A tidy loop that feels complete. P is a line with a half round top. Start at the top and curve, then stop. Q is O with the tiny fay. A little flick that never fails. R starts like P but bends once more. A slanted leg that points to the floor. S is a snake that twists and slides. Curvy paths left to right it glides. T has a cap and a body below. Top line wide, then straight you go.
U dips low, then climbs back high. A cup-shaped smile beneath the sky. V is sharp like a bird in flight. Down, then up, angles just right.
W is V two times in a row. Down, up, smooth and slow. X is crisscross, quick and clean. Two straight lines where they meet between. Y starts with arms, then drops straight down like a slingshot pointing to the ground. C zigzags from here to there. Across, slant down, across with flair.
Please subscribe my channel.